Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to show you how to see dividends in interactive brokers. So first you have to do is you have to watch this video till the end, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to see the dividends in interactive brokers that IBK are using both with client portal, web and trader workstation, the TWS. The method number one is using client portal, the web interface. Then log into client portal, then go to the www.interactivebrokers.com, click login, then select client portal. Navigate to reports. In the left hand menu, click reports, then click on activity. Choose a date range, select the appropriate date range, current month, last month or custom range. View dividends, scroll down to the dividend section in the activity report, then you will see a breakdown of dividend date, symbol, amount received, currency or text withhold if applicable. Now fifth step is actually optional, but here is the thing that export the report as PDF or CSV for your records. Click the download icon. Now here's the method 2 using trader workstation, the TWX. Open TWS and login, then go to the accounts window, then click on accounts from the top menu, then scroll down to the activity and dividend section. Here is alternatively run a report. Go to account manager or account management, then go to reports, then activity statements. Choose the date range and statement type, then click run or view. Find the dividend payments in the report or account section. Look for entire entries under the dividends or corporate action. Now here is the additional tips for you, that dividend calendar. You can also use IBK's dividend schedule under research, then go to calendar, then dividends, then to see upcoming dividends for these stocks in your portfolio. In mobile app, dividends can also be seen via the IBK mobile app. Under the menu, you have to go to the menu, then go to reports, then you can find the activity statements. So that's how you can just see the dividends in interactive brokers. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.